They say Dubai is a city that never slows down until flood came. And this time, I wasn't watching from a distance. What started as normal drizzling in Dubai ended up becoming a record rainfall the UAE had not seen for over decades. I was in it. You see, a friend of mine was to travel to Kenya and we were to drop off some of our cargo to be transported by her. And our lives would have ended that day, but fate was on our side. We survived. The rain didn't just fall, it poured like the sky had broken open. Sometimes people say broken loose. Roads disappeared, cars were floated, and many people waded through water waist deep. And right there, in the middle of it all, I found myself wondering how a place built with such brilliance, professionalism, and modern technology could sink so quickly. I remember being in the middle of Sheikh Zayed Road in the car, gazing as all those Lamborghinis, Ferraris sinking and floating on the road. My shoes were soaked, even inside the car, and the driver crying out for his engine, holding my phone and trying to record what I could. Within days, my story became part of a bigger story. A TV station back home in Nigeria called Channel TV, through their UAE reporter Maiwa Adewoki, reached out to me. He wanted to hear from someone who has been in it and is living it and not just seeing it. And that day, I told them, it's not just a flood. It's a reminder that even the strongest cities can be vulnerable. Before we begin, if you believe in real stories that show the world as it is, raw, human, true, make sure you subscribe and join the ThrybE membership to be part of this global community of travelers and storytellers. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be walking you around from here all the way to the beach. It's going to be a beach walk. Yep. So today is very sunny, and since after the flash floods in Dubai, I haven't been to the beach. I don't know if people have started going, but I want to go today and see for myself how it looks like over there. So yep, we're on the streets. It's quite sunny. It's midday, and I want to see how and what's happening there. If people are already going there to swim, some might already start, and it's full. So I don't know what is happening. So right now it's quite sunny here, and you can see I'm walking. I'm really grateful that I'm wearing my hat, so because it's so scorching hot right here. I can feel the heat, coupled with the fact that I'm wearing black. The only lucky thing is that I'm wearing
Vlogging, huh?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Where are you going?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Where are you going?
I'm from Bangladesh. I'm going to masjid.
Masjid?
I'm perform the namaz now.
Alright.
Yes.
Good day.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Alright. So yeah, people around here like cameras a lot, and I want to vlog today, but I'm getting some real warnings. I don't know why I'm getting all these warnings. I charge these batteries, all charged 100%, and yet I start a video and then it tells me battery empty. So now it's full, and I hope it takes me all out. Sometimes, you know, these technical things, electronics can misbehave, but the sun out here, man, is really hot, very hot. So I'll officially say hi. How are you? I'll officially say the summer has started. Yes, after the rain came the summer. Yep. So now we're about to witness real summer in Dubai. And
coupled with the fact that it didn't start early, we don't know what to expect now. Yep. So I don't know if I'll be able to make it to the beach. To be fine. I just noticed some buses have changed routes, and I would say maybe because of that flood, some buses were damaged or something, and then now the routes have automatically changed. Let's see. I don't know. Hi, I'm good. Yeah. People are so friendly when they see with a camera. Yeah. This is the streets right here. Yeah. So let me take you on the other side. I'll show you the other side of the roof. And the sun is hot. Yep. So we have shops down here. Most times here in Dubai, the buildings have all shops down here. These are gold shops. Buy your gold here. Used and new. All. Like this, so beautiful. All these are gold shops right here. So I'm trying to avoid walking in the sun. That's why I'm choosing to walk beside these buildings on this side. So I'm in the shade, and instead of being on the other side of the road. So that's how I'm going to try to maneuver all the way until I get to where I'm going to. But this is Dubai. This is like where you find let's say not middle class, but you find all classes of people, but more or less you have those blue collar job seekers and workers right here. You have a lot of accommodations, and then we also have apart from having accommodations, you have rentals where you have bed spaces and you have partitions, you have one-bedroom apartments, and so on and so forth. So this is what you see around here. And on this side of town, we have a lot of Africans around here. And you'll be getting to see a lot of them on the road as we move. But there are so many Africans around here. The sun is really, really hot. So those were, I would say, people from Uganda, from their language, you can tell. So during the summer, you find out that there are less people on the roads during the daytime. So this is the bus station, and yeah, there people park their bikes to go to work, and there are cameras protecting all these bikes. Some park them and go to sleep in their houses, but not to say sometimes one or two don't get missing. Yes, I hate to say it because I lost mine parked at one of those metro stations. Yeah, and then I went to pick it and it wasn't there. But you can see people still park. If you're not yet a victim, you will not know. Crime is not high here, but there is no society without one. So it's the bus station. These are people checking their routes, maps. And the whole of this bus station, the roof is solar panels, generating electricity for both the metro station, the bus station actually. Yeah. So you can see it's very sunny. People are beginning to use umbrellas and so on and so forth. Some people are crossing in traffic. They are not using the pedestrian. Yes, if you're not caught, it's okay. But if you're caught jaywalking here, it's about $60 thereabouts for jaywalking. 50 to 60, about $60 precisely for jaywalking. So you have to wait and then you cross. Okay. So now we press the button and we type. Yeah, we still have to wait. I pressed already. So, yeah, officially we can cross.
Weeks passed, the city cleaned up fast. Credits where it's due. Dubai moved with precision, restoring order piece by piece.
May dis walang isos eh, paulo ko. Nakikita kasi ako. Patingin ko sa iyo yung 20 na. Okay, may
But for me, it wasn't just about the cleanup. It was about closure. A place that held so many memories for me during the pandemic, and where I started this journey was going down. Not due to the rains, but a renewed development. And I was to take a walk In this work, I wanted to go with you along with me. It will be a long walk, but if I'm sure if you are not so busy, it will be worth it every step. So when Lame Beach finally revealed, I decided this walk was worth the journey from Al Satwa to the shore. It's actually midday here. The sun, unforgiving, keep bouncing off the road. But that walk felt necessary. Every step of the way, I was processing what has happened, how a storm can test your patience, your plans, your peace.
Ọlọ́run ṣe bá ṣe tí ó gbà àbí o tó bá lọ jẹ́ pé lọ́gbọ́n bá lọ accept irú kan mẹ́yẹn sìn táwọn lọ pọ́ọ̀tù níwèé ni. Wàhálà ẹ̀ wọ́n lọ lọ pè wọ́n wá. Jẹ́ kó jáde náà.
This is built by Iranian hospital. All right. So the sun has gone down, and that's why I'm able to go to the beach. The sun was really hot. Yep. You can see some tourists coming back from the beach. So we should be almost there. As you get closer to the beach, you can feel some fresh air blowing now. Even though the temperature is better now, because I had to wait. If I had come when it was 12 noon, I'm very sure I would have had sunburn because the sun was very, very hot. Now you find people drinking chai or karak tea, which is a traditional tea of the Arabs around here. It's a common culture to find people drinking chai together, yeah, having a little discussion after work, early hours of the morning. Okay. Groomers, so they could be grooming a pet inside of the car. Wow. Okay, and people taking photos. Wow. Moroccan restaurants, barber shops, mechanics around here, groceries, and so on and so forth. Mechanics here. Okay. African music, man. That video is highly represented here, man. This place is called Slough. Have a lot of sit-out restaurants because it's close to the beach now. Yep. Mercedes. It's a showroom. Anyway, it's a common thing here. All the cars are white. Yeah, you see a lot of restaurants around here. Before 2020, that's the COVID time. This place used to be a hub of a lot of affairs. Like during times like this and later in the evening. Okay. Running low on battery. So this place is really closing up. Not closing up per se, but they're doing a renovation and it's in phases. Okay. So this place is called La Mer. I have so many videos of this place. It's like a beautiful place I love. I practically started this channel. Most of the videos were shot in this place. So they have a smart police station here. Yeah, it's called a smart police station because it's smart. You can actually check in there even when there was no one. So that's why it's called a smart police station. Yep. So we're going to check in from here. Have the security here and go this way. Hi bro.
I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Humble? Yeah. Always find us here. So you can see this place. This place used to be a bubbling place. So beautiful. You can see it yourself. Yeah. But a lot is going on. Like I said, it's been renovated in phases. This is like the first phase, the second phase, and so on and so forth. So you find people are not coming here like before. This place used to be a very beautiful restaurant. Used to have table tennis and some games outside you could come and watch. There used to be a water feature here where the water rolls down from up and onto the down, and then you can see how beautiful this place is. But yet it's now a deserted place. Yes, it's deserted because most of the restaurants are now empty. Even the colors are looking faded, no maintenance, and then the emptiness itself. You can find people going in there because they're going to swim also. So here used to be water features. You find people dropping coins inside here, and all in the name of luck. You can see here, all these are water features. Yes, all these places used to be water features. You can see the water feature extend all the way here. There's be nightclubs and bars here, a swimming pool, night swimming pool. You could swim all night right there. Yeah, it's a very peaceful heaven. You can find people sitting, discussing and having fun. Yeah, I love what I see there. Interracial couples, yeah, sitting there and having fun. So, you don't see a lot of families. People have come here to swim. Look at this beautiful sunset from here. Wow, look at that. See, I have a children's playground here, closed. This thing used to be sparkling, you know, the colors, the maintenance, but now you can see. So this is after the Dubai rain. And, Yeah. Find people who have come in here to swim. Let's take a long walk. So there's a jetty there for those who used to do here they used to have this jet skis right here. Different companies used to have them. So right here, this is where you used to have the jet skis, and then you can go and take boat rides and jet skis right there. I love these birds. They're always here by the beach. Well, I don't know what they pick from the water, but they're always here digging. Yeah. So you can see there's a new residential place right there across. Hyatt Centric, which is also a new hotel recently built. Rather unfortunate, when it opened, this place was also closing. Yep. And from here you can see all the way all through, you can see the Dubai skyline. Yes, that's Jivora there with the golden top. That's the world tallest hotel. You have Burj Khalifa over there. You can see right there, you can see it.
And when I reached the beach, life had returned. Families laughing, waves rolling, in music softly in the background from cafes. Though it wasn't as full as it normally would be, but that contrast hit me hard. How the same sky that brought chaos could now be this calm, and then something beautiful happened. I met a Nigerian friend, a brother, who saw me recording, smiled and said, "You're doing something important, bro. Keep showing the real side of life here." He bought me a drink, we laughed. He had his own camera though. And we talked about resilience, about how our stories matter. All around me, people were open, friendly, and curious. Some wanted to say hello on the camera. Others just waved and walked by. For a moment, I realized this city that had been flooded just weeks ago was now full of gratitude. No matter how advanced the place is, it's still people who bring it back to life. If this kind of story speaks to you, if you believe travel should tell the truth, hit that subscribe button and consider joining the ThrybE membership. Your support keeps these real stories alive. Help me document voices in places the world really rarely hears or sees. Dubai learned from the flood. The drain systems, the emergency response, they have improved. But beyond infrastructure, it was a wake-up call for everyone to build stronger, plan smarter, and respect nature's power. Harry, this story is too old for now, but the truth doesn't expire. This isn't just a memory, it's a message. If you've watched this far, you're part of something deeper, a community that values truth over trends. Subscribe, share this story, and join the ThrybE. All travelers with purpose connect with culture and keep stories like this alive. A reminder that resilience doesn't start when things go right. It begins when everything is wrong, and you still choose to walk forward, even if the road is still dry.
So right here, this is new, even though it doesn't seem like it's functioning. Yeah. But there used to be a lot of this here. The kids used to come play. Construction team park, Diggers Lab. You can see it here. Yeah.
So this is me finally letting the story go. Not because it's forgotten, but because it taught me what to carry forward. As I stood at La Mer watching the sunset that day, one thought stayed with me.
It's not real.
We all need the ground beneath our feet, and the lessons it teaches when the waters rise.
Because you always have people who sell souvenirs.
لا والله هو باين عليه طيب. انا اشوفكم بكره ان شاء الله.
I'm at the beach. I'm supposed to be swimming actually, but right here I met a friend, Shola. So here you meet a lot of people from different places. I've met people from Kenya already, Uganda, Russia already. Even though I didn't capture all of it on camera because it's the beach and sometimes the security will restrict you to do one or two things. But we're right now at Smokes, courtesy of...
Hello, Shola again.
So Shola offered to buy me a drink, and yeah, that's the benefit of being a vlogger, you know. When you have a camera, he also has his camera here. Once you have a camera, you know, and you meet another person with a camera, you want to know more about him, learn some things, you know. And he also has his vlogging kit, and I'm sure you're gonna see more of him. He's not started his channel yet, but if he eventually starts his channel, you definitely have
You see the link.
yeah, you definitely see the link. Yeah, and hopefully we'll do some vlogs together. Since he has his own camera, we could share content and share ideas. So enjoy watching the video. But right now I have passion fruits mojito, and I'm sure you like to try it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure you would like to try it. Let me give a shout out to this is Smokes International, and this is their van. Yeah. So what's your best mojito here? Your best drink?
Drink?
Yeah. What's your best drink?
So speak English a little.
Little. Sure.
I speak Arabic.
Okay, Arabic.
Okay.
What's your best drink?
Milkshake.
Milkshake?
Yeah.
Oh,
One
no,
line.
I'm not a milkshake guy.
One line.
All right, so the milkshake is the favorite here, but for me, I prefer the mojitos, even though they're non-alcoholic, but I prefer the
Not
mojitos.
encore. Not call.
Yeah, I know. All right, nice. So this is their van. You sell grills, yeah? Grills, burgers, and
Yeah,
and so-
burgers and hot dogs
yeah, hot dogs,
and chicken
grills.
wings,
Yeah.
chicken tenders.
Trust me, this is Dubai. You
Yeah.
know, so when you speak in English, you probably might not get the best response, but it's okay, guys. Here we are. Cheers. Thank you so much. Wow,
It's really nice.
you guys are the bomb, man. This is amazing. Whoa.
Welcome.
perfect.
All right, guys. So if you watch until now, it means you have actually enjoyed the video, and I'd like to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and I hope to share more with you. It's already night and I didn't get to capture all of that, but there's so much to be captured, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks to Mr. Shola for this mojito, and it was a very, very good day. Thank you and God bless you. Cheers and goodbye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.